These soft, chewy, and delicious cookies are actually nut-free, sugar-free, and good for you. First step, turn your air fryer on to 325 degrees, and then take out 4 tablespoons of sunflower seed butter, which is really nutrient dense. Put that into a bowl. Then add 2 tablespoons of date syrup. This natural sweetener tastes like caramel, but it is filled with fiber and antioxidants. Then add half a teaspoon of vanilla extract, which will give our cookie some sweetness without any additional sugar. And then you're going to mix that all together beautifully. Then add 6 tablespoons of oat flour. No flour, no problem. Take whatever oats you have, put it in a blender for about a minute, and you will have oat flour. Next, add at least 1, I actually added 2 tablespoons of plant milk, and I always like vanilla almond milk in all of my recipes. Mix that all together, and then take out a piece of parchment paper, which is the size of your air fryer tray. Roll the dough into balls, and then smush them flat so that they're the shape of cookies. Then toppings. I like sesame seeds. I've also had pumpkin seeds on top, which were delicious. Put your parchment paper and cookies into your air fryer. You want to check on them at about 7 minutes because they could be done. Certainly will be done by 10 minutes. You'll notice that the edges turn this gorgeous golden brown. Take them out, let them cool, and you'll notice that they'll firm up, but they'll still remain soft and chewy. So tell me, would you make these vegan, nut-free, refined sugar-free, gluten-free, dairy-free, 5-ingredient cookies? Let me know in the comments below.